Everyone, just want to start this video by saying I've got a cold. Sorry if my voice sounds a little bit weird. In this video we're going to be making I guess you could call it a hot bar. This is the project so far, if anyone wants to play it, or just see inside it and look at the code. Today, like I said, we're going to be working on a hot bar, kind of like a mini inventory system. It's going to be like part 1 of our inventory system. And then, after we've done the inventory system, we can do the part 2 of the crafting system. Sorry about this. So we're going to load up the project. And then we are going to, we're going to go to costumes. Is we are going to click on this little thing. We're going to paint a new sprite. And we're going to get a little box here. And we'll fill this with black. We'll just fill it black. Actually, no, we won't. So we'll click on fill, and I'm gonna make it like a greyish colour. Kind of like that, I guess. And the outline, and I'm gonna make the thickness maybe like 10. Just gonna draw a box. Gonna select the box, put it in the middle. Copy it and then paste it, and put it back to the center. And then we are going to. Actually, no. What we'll do is we'll put it back in the center. Oh, whoops! What's happened here? Delete that. We'll click this, copy it, paste it, move it like that. Obviously, you're not going to align these, spend as much time aligning these as you want. I'm just going to be doing mine normally because I don't really have the time. But yeah, you lot can spend as much time. These are going to be like our hot bars, as I say. Mine's not going to look brilliant, but it'll do the trick. I'm kind of going for like a Minecraft look here. I'm sure people have played Minecraft. I actually have it on my taskbar. So it doesn't need to be perfect, just that'll do. Paste. Sorry if you're gonna get annoyed by this, but so I'm not putting a lot of effort in it. Oh, okay, it's annoying me now as well. I have to fix this. That'll do. Awesome. So now I have my little taskbar, as you can see over here. So next, we're gonna make the size of this maybe like 25. No, okay, not that. 50. Whoops, I've pressed the wrong thing. So we'll make this 75. Yeah, 75. And then position that like kind of like the bottom. Right, now we'll go over to code and we'll click. Let's go over to events. When green flag clicked, so when the project is started. What are we gonna do? We will, when it loads. There we go. We are going to set it to its position. So we want to go to X, and then we want to make the X 0. but just keep the Y as it is. Should put that exact, because putting it as X0 will put it exactly center on the horizontal axes. I know it doesn't look it, but trust me, it is. And then we want to hide it because we don't want it to be opened. So go over to looks and grab your hide. So now we'll click the green flag, boom, it's gone. We'll show it when the backdrop switches to, and we'll set this to, let's say game screen 1. We're going to show. Let's try this then. Let's give this a go. So we click play. We actually have desktop. Oh, we actually have a thing. Hang on. It's very loud. I'll probably turn that down for you lot. But as you can see, we've got a little hotbar there, and it's appeared. So it's clearly not game screen 1. Let's try game screen 2. Click play. It's loading. No, it hasn't appeared this time. It's loading again. Anytime soon. There we go, and it's loaded. It's here. And then one last thing is, all we need to do now is make it go to the top of the screen. So let's go to here, and then where is it? Go to front layer. Awesome. I guess we could make it slightly transparent as well. You could do that. So we can do that by just going to change here, change, and then here we'll do ghost effect. So 25. No, say 10. So then set this to maybe I'm gonna go 10. And you get like this. You could do it more if you wanted. We can have a setting for that in the future. For now that should do. Next, you can change the size if you want. We just died, rip. Next, we actually need to sort out our second inventory, which we actually have here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to costumes, and I'm going to adjust this inventory, because it doesn't look very good, as we can see. So I'm going to delete these, go back to this thing again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this, copy it, go over to the inventory, and paste it. And put one there, and we're just going to do it like this. Because what we'll do is, I don't know, but we'll just do this. Just trust me on this one. If we select the background just quickly, let's say that doesn't, no, just leave that. And then what's good about this is don't need to perfectly align these. I mean, you lot can obviously you lot spend as much time as you need. I was doing this unneatly because it's only a series and it takes up too much tutorial time. But I'm gonna try and aim for like 6 in a row. Let's keep pasting these. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday we should have a video on this, and every Saturday and Sunday, I think we're gonna do a video on the Roblox Speed Simulator game. That might just be every like Sunday or something, though, I'm not gonna lie, because yeah. Mine, obviously, as you can see, are not perfect at all. Just, you know, like I say, make them as good as you can. I'll stop after this. And, yeah, okay. So, the next challenging bit now, if we was to quickly restart this and then go over to code, and let's just quickly show this. Just really quick. Awesome. And now make it go to, you know. And show it. Oh, for God's sake. Yep, here's our inventory, and then this, what you need to do is say, set these to 0. It's not perfect, I don't really know why. It's because this whole thing's not perfect. There we are. And we'll say once E is pressed, go over to control, and we're going to broadcast. No, not control, sorry. Where is it? Yeah, here it is, events, and we will broadcast a new message. Open inv. We'll call this open inv like that. And now we'll go over to our sprite one, which we're going to rename task. No, not taskbar. We'll just call this item bar. And we'll say when I receive open inv, we're going to show, but also move it to we'll go once again, we'll do all that. Right, do us that. Sorry about that. We will go to the front layer. Let's quickly show that. And we will also go over to motion and say move to basically that position there, so we want it lined up like that. Right, let's give this whole entire thing a run through now. So we click play. It's doing its little cutscene. It's gonna take a little while. There we go, we've got a little taskbar. We can't actually click that, but we'll work on that in the future. We need to fix that as well, which we'll do in the future. We can't pick up that stick. Then we'll say E, X, Q, R. Yep. And now what we need to do is when it goes back, we need to make it go back down. So to stop that, so just get those coordinates back again, just duplicate that and then remove these two here from that. And that'll fix that. Next what we will do is probably rearrange our items. So let's go into our inventory here. Let's very quickly show it. Along with this inventory tool here. We'll say show and also go to the front layer. And then we shall move this tool into there like that. Obviously you might want to change the size of yours and stuff like that. And here's what I'll do. I'll go to costumes. And underneath this I'll get some text and this will say blunt tool. And I'll make all this white because it's on a black background. Make it relatively big. And put it around about there, that'll do. Once again, you don't need to put as much effort into this as you want, of course, if you want it to do well. But basically, yeah, you just need to do all this, and then change the go-to position, because now we're changing the inventory up. What other inventory things are there? We've got coconut, inventory rock, we'll do that. So once again, we'll show this, go to the front layer, definitely make that smaller. Go to costume, add some text, this can say rock. Then next what we can do is we can, let me just zoom out of this really quick, it's way too big. Let's just make it a bit smaller. And boom, that'll do for what I'm doing. So I want to try and line it up and stuff. That'll do. Then once again, all we got to do now is, when green flag click, rather than going to there, we want it to go to here. And that's it for that. What's next? Inventory coconut. So let's once again, show this. So we'll go to here, we'll click show, and we'll make it go to the front layer. Put it there. I'm gonna make the size 45. That is way too big, small. 60, 80. Just get a good size. That'll do. Put it there. Costume. Get a text. This will be coconuts. The inventory is not actually going to do anything this video, we're just basically designing it. Next video we're going to go for actually making it practical, so it actually does something. But just for now, like I say, keep it simple. we go for the coconut, and then once again code. You're probably getting used to this now. Whereas you go over to here, get rid of the go to, and replace it with the new position, and then go to the front layer like that. Awesome. Next we've got inventory stick. Okay, we had a lot more items than I thought, but it's fine. I'm going to show this. Make it go to the front layer. 20 is alright. Can we get away with 30? No. Okay, I'm going to go 20 then. Whoops. Oh, no. I'll make these 0 again. Oh, damn. It's kind of annoying. I have to show it again. What is this, the 4th? So we've got inventory coconut rock. Yeah, okay. This is the 4th box then. And once again, costumes, and here we'll go text, stick. Just position that like that. Code. Once again, exact same concept. Remove that. Go to there. Replace that. Awesome, that'll work now. Right, now let's try it. Play. Okay, so we're loading in. As you can see, we've got our little thing here. Let's press E. Ignore this, we'll be sorting these out in the next video when we make everything practical. Everything works apart from the rock, which I don't really know what that thing's doing, to be honest. Let's try and quickly fix this. Let's make it go to the front layer. Go to front layer. I think that works. Yeah, that worked. Awesome, so just add a go to front layer there. Everything looks a bit weird. I know everything's glitchy. We're going to do a massive bug fix video. But once again, just for now, this will probably do. How long's this video been? 25, and editing time as well, I don't know. I'll probably end it here for now. So thanks for watching. Once again, the link to this project will be in the description. Next video, which I believe should be on Friday, we are going to go over making this practical. So thanks for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and bye.